Hello, my online babies. I miss you guys. I can't believe it's already been a week since our last Zoom conversation. Um, Things are going pretty good here on campus. My biggest class so far has been 14 kids, and my smallest class yesterday was 4, but now my average is about 5. So I super appreciate those of you that are choosing to stay home and help keep our numbers down so that we can help control the spread of COVID. You guys are rock stars for trying to do this endeavor of doing school online as long as you can. So for that, just know that I'm super proud of y'all. So today, I was hoping to be able to Zoom with you guys today, but my kids here on campus are still not quite caught up to speed and ready to do stuff alongside you guys. So that being said, we're going to be reviewing the warm up and curtain call and opening act type of things in class today, and doing a few more getting to know you things because there are quite a few kids that did not do any of the online work, and so I don't really know them. So that's what they're going to be doing for Wednesday. For you guys, you are going to have a fun little mini project. I don't want you to stress out about it too much. But it kind of helps me to see where your abilities lie and how good you guys are at memorizing things and how much work I have to do with helping you guys learn how to memorize. So it's just a one mini lesson, and then on Friday, or not Friday, I'm sorry, we don't have class Friday. And then on Thursday, we are going to have my first attempt of Zooming with classes while also teaching. So we'll see how that goes. Also, my AC is broken, so if you're in my afternoon classes, you are super lucky that you're not here. My last 2 classes yesterday, we were in the cafeteria, but I think today we're going to try and stick it out in the heat, and then halfway, once we finish our little quiz over rules and procedures, we're going to go to the cafeteria. Not that it matters for you guys, but anyway, it's just very hot. Like, I'm already sweating, and it's 12:30. I'm sorry, it's 1:30. But anyway, so today I'm going to have you guys watch one of my, not the entire episode, but a clip from one of my favorite episodes of a show called I Love Lucy. If you were in my classes last year, you did watch this whole episode. We're going to watch a clip from the Vita Mita Vegemin episode where Lucy is stepping in to do a commercial during one of her husband's broadcasts, because back in the 50s, commercials were not pre-recorded. They were actually live performances during commercial breaks. So we're going to watch a little clip from that, and then your assignment for today is to set your timer for 15 minutes and see how much of the Vita Mita Vegemin sketch you can memorize yourself. Once you do that, you're going to record it just like you do for your lip sync video. Or if you can't figure that out, then find a way to get your video to me somehow. And just do as much of the monologue back to me as you can. You don't have to get the whole thing. You're not going to get points taken off if you don't. I just want to see you guys try and memorize as much of it as you can. I'm also not going to give you any tips on how to memorize. I kind of want to see what your natural abilities are. And that's going to help me to kind of build the program as we move forward. So just have fun with it. Have fun being silly as usual. And don't stress out too much. Just have fun. And again, on Friday, we will try and Zoom with everyone. Our Friday project is going to be to put together a soundtrack of your life. So you're going to make a soundtrack of 5 to 10 songs that you think define your life, or that you really identify with, or you feel speak to who you are. And then you guys are just going to type up the songs and the reason why. And then the kids in class are going to actually share a song. So depending on how many of you are on Zoom and how many of you are in class, maybe some of you guys on Zoom can share a few of yours also, but I'm not going to force you to present since you're on the computer. So if you have any questions for me about what we're doing today or tomorrow, just shoot me a message. I know it's really hard for me to get back to you guys when I'm in class mode. It's pretty nonstop for me most of the first half of the day. My break is from 11:30 to about 1:30 that I can be available to help you out. Okay? Again, I miss you guys. I'm looking forward to Zooming with everyone. and you are still a priority. I still think about you guys. I miss you all. I feel like I already built such a good connection with a lot of you, and I look forward to seeing you guys again. All right, bye.